Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both screens are connected and powered. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, open System Display Settings. On Windows, go to Settings System Display. On Mac OS, open Displays. You should see two rectangles representing monitors. Make sure you can identify which is the second monitor by clicking Identify. If the second monitor doesn't appear, try Detect or reseat the cable. These actions prepare the system, so the next steps actually change the monitor size and scaling correctly. You now change how big content appears by selecting the second monitor in the display layout. First, pick a resolution. Prefer the monitor's native resolution for clarity. Lowering resolution makes everything larger but blurrier. Next, adjust scale or display scaling to increase or decrease UI element sizes. For example, set 125% to make text and icons bigger without losing sharpness. As you change values, watch the preview and test typical apps. This combination of resolution and scaling gives you finish by applying and testing the new settings. Click Apply and confirm the change, and if it looks off, revert immediately to avoid getting stuck. Once satisfied, fine-tune with your GPU control panel, NVIDIA/AMD/Intel, for per-monitor scaling or custom resolutions. If options are missing, make sure display drivers are updated, try a different cable or port, and restart the system. These fixes often restore native resolutions. If problems persist, return to Detect or rerun monitor identification to ensure correct configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.